Attention all dropshippers or people who fill forms for a living. And you know what I'm talking about, because filling forms is part of most people's day-to-day jobs, especially dropshippers, solopreneurs, people selling things online, flipping from one place to another. I think most people have to fill forms for their work. Now, what I'm about to show you is I'm about to demonstrate this unbelievable form filler, which basically is unbelievable because let me just show you an example right now. Let's say you had to fill in this form. Imagine all it took to fill this form was to click on a Chrome extension, fill in the address, and it can be messy. It doesn't have to be an organized way of filling it. So let me put a dummy USA address. As you can see, it says name, order ID, email, all of this messy data. Just click the button over here, the Zipifil button, which is of course the name of the software, and here you go. It literally filled in the information in the most organized way. Now I can see there's an error here, but don't worry about that. That's just because we actually told it that that was the address over here. The actual postcode was actually that. So it didn't make a mistake. If I change this to 90210 and click Zipifil again, we won't get that error. It will just fill it correctly. Remember, you can paste any information here and it will be filled in a more organized way. As you can see, it's fixed this error. Fantastic. So now let's move on to the next example. Now this is a big one. It's Amazon FBA. I don't think any other form filler in the world can probably fill this form, but let's test this one. I'm going to take one from my address book, even though you can just paste the address here directly from your order. I'm going to click on the Amazon FBA button. Let me just show you it 1 second. We've got a special Amazon FBA button because none of the form filler could work. So you've pressed that and watch how it starts filling the form. This is freaking magic. Watch, it's doing one field at a time and it's going to literally pick the address. Watch how it picks it. Fantastic. And it filled it completely all the way from beginning to end. Fantastic. Let's move on to the next example. For those of you creating blog posts or creating product and uploading them to databases, so this is going to be the Chrome extension that you need, because what it can do, it can actually fill any form, even if the form is not an address form. Yes, you heard me right. Let's click on here and you can just paste in here the information about your product and then watch how it fills in the form. So here's some dummy data. This is all, it's not that much data. 23-inch mountain bike, works on all types of landscape. Price is $99, usually $199. And watch how the magic happens. It's literally going to fill in this entire form just like that. It's filled in the description, the name, it's put everything in the right place, the price, the compare at price. Basically, it filled the form in perfectly. So basically, you can dump a lot of data in here. It doesn't have to be organized. So for example, if we had a lot more information here, it would fill the form much more comprehensively. But obviously, we just dumped a little bit of data. So obviously, it's going to do the job depending on what data it has. Let's move on to the next example. You guessed it, we're on eBay now. And if you need to buy things on eBay regularly, you can paste an unorganized, messy address. Let me fix the postcode this time so you won't have 90210. And then you click Zipifil, and guess what? It's going to fill the form perfectly in one go with everything exactly as you would have guessed. This is called Zipifil. I don't know if it's available right now because at the time of recording, it's still undergoing Google Chrome review. So make sure you go to the link in the description if you find it, and if not, just drop me a comment and I'll give it to you, and then you can get this Chrome extension. Thank you for watching. This was Zipifil. Useful apps. Bye for now.